For looking for easy yet effective sweet sounding blues bass lines, then this video is for you. Playing sweet blues bass lines will get you more recognition and gigs to grow your skills. You will learn today one of many techniques to creating these sweet sounding blues bass lines. Also coming up, one of my favorite blues bass lines I'll share with you also. So stick around. Alright, hey, if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Jump over there, subscribe for free, get your free ebook on setting your bass up for success, and subscribe down here below, also hitting the subscribe button right here and the bell notification to be notified about all the new videos I've got coming out. And check out the previous videos I've got. I've talked a lot about the blues, and there's a lot of good information there for you. So alright, today we're talking about easy blues bass lines, how to create an easy blues bass line. Now there's a lot of ways to do this, and there's more than one way, but this is one easy way to help you out just to get started, and then you can just grow from there. So just getting the basics down. So a typical blues bass line is a 1-4-5, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. And typically they're dominant 7 chords. You have the minor blues, can be minor 7s also, but today we're going to talk about the dominant 7 chords. So in a dominant 7 chord, you got the 1, 3, 5, and the 7 right there. So what you want to do is just target those notes in your blues bass line. Now an easy way to do it and an effective way to do it is just the 1, 3, and the 5. The 7 gives it a little edge, but you can definitely, the 1, 3, and 5 is a safe zone. You can play those, utilize those 3 notes, and be very effective, and can create some colorful lines with that as well. So like I said, the typical, you can just do the 1, 3, 5, and just be something like this right here. Alright, so simple yet effective. That'll get the job done easily for your 12-bar blues with the 1-5 at the end with the turnaround there. So it's something easy like that. You can just do the one, just utilizing the 1, the 3, and the 5 of that chord works perfect. And it's the easiest way to get started, and once you start figuring that out and places to put that 5, the 1, 3, and 5, other, hitting the octaves, and you can open up new doors for yourself. So that's it. That's it. As easy as that. The 1, 3, 5. Just take that and just run with it. So I've got the fun blues bass line that I've worked up here not long ago, and I've got a video back in the previous videos. Can't remember. I'll find the link and I'll put it up here. The card, I'll put it up here for you. But it's just basically. So easy as that is it's basically using the 1, 3, 5. We actually throw the 6th in there, but that's a pretty colorful tone. It kind of gives you more of the blues feel. Because usually when they throw that 6th in there, that's a standard idea that works too. But like I say, it gets a little colorful, and you can use that later on. But like I said, definitely work on the 1, 3, and the 5. Use those to get started and get a feel for the blues first of all, and then embellish it a little bit. But today's bass line, the fun one I've got for you here is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. slide into the 3, 4. So just take that 1, slide into the 3, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6. And then you just take so you just keep that pattern. That's one thing great about the blues. You can take, since all the chords are the same, dominant 7, unless they change up, a typical chord progression, they're all dominant 7 chords. Like I said, there's minors in there for the minor blues, but we're talking about the dominant, the major blues. And the dominant 7s, or you can typically take this pattern and then just use that at each chord. So you don't have to know every note, you just know the patterns, and you can take that same pattern to the 4 chord, same pattern to the 5 chord. Just a starting block for you. That's basically all this is. You know, you're not going to start out knowing this bass and know every note and every chord and everything like that. So you're going to want to utilize patterns, and that's going to help you out a lot. Just like the pattern, the major of all these scales, the minor blues scale, the major pentatonic scale, major blues scale. So it's just patterns. So you're going to want to focus on patterns and be able to see these patterns as well, so you can use those. So that's all, just some patterns, and just focus on patterns, and the 1, 3, and the 5, and that would do it. Like I said, if you like this, help me help you. Hit that like button, and I'll have more videos coming out all the time. And then leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it, and what you might want to know more about. Just leave the comment down below, and I'll be glad to get that information back out here on a video, or give me an idea of another video to put out. That's what it is. Help me help you, and I will catch you all on the flip flop. Bye now.